Calhoun County Airport is one of thousands of organizations working to provide relief to all these folks. As News 13's Courtney Fegley reports, airport officials are now busy preparing supplies for Hurricane Milton victims.
Calhoun County Airport officials have already flown a helicopter to North Carolina and eastern Tennessee to deliver supplies collected by Mercury One charity.
We went as far as Johnson City, Tennessee. I took evacuees that needed to be moved out for medical conditions that were unable to get out due to either aircraft not being available, roads being gone, or just the massive devastation they have in that area.
The storm destroyed nearly all methods of transportation in those areas. Calhoun County Airport Manager Rob Sims says he thinks Helene's damages are worse than Hurricane Michael.
It's worse there because of the inability to get to a lot of these communities in the areas that they're in. The sheer destruction that happened with roads, railroads, bridges. All forms of transportation in and out of some of those areas are just gone and will be gone for months, if not maybe years to go in the future.
Sims says he's now making plans to help those who will be impacted by Hurricane Milton. It too is expected to be catastrophic.
We're pre-positioned here for Milton to see what happens when it comes ashore. I'm working once again with the company Operator Solutions, and they have Task Force Guardian Angel. So we've set up an emergency operations center from the private side. We have multiple aviation assets, multiple ground assets that we're putting together.
When asked why he's doing this, Sims says it's critical to support our neighbors.
We definitely need to be cognizant of how we help our neighbors because they helped us, and I absolutely want to be there to help them whatever they need, and we will be here to do that.
In Bluntstown, Courtney Fegley, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
If you'd like to donate relief supplies through Mercury One, go to our link on our website, mypanhandle.com.